Hello, sister. What you're going to need for this computer-to-computer file transfer is just a hard drive and the two computers that you're trying to transfer files between. Grab your hard drive and plug it into the computer that has the files you want to move. Usually, the File Explorer window pops up automatically when a new device is connected, but if not, you can open it down here, or by searching File Explorer. You can also right-click and select Pin so that you always have it in the lower taskbar. Once you have it open, find the name of your hard drive and open that folder. If you can't tell which name it is, you can unplug and plug it back in to see which one disappears and reappears in the list. You're going to want to have two File Explorer windows open, so let's open another one. You can right-click on the icon at the bottom and click File Explorer, and find where you want to move the files. When working with two windows, I like to use the split screen, so I'm just going to hit the Windows key and the right arrow to move it to one side. If you don't have this feature, you can make the window smaller manually and move them right next to each other. This part is easy. Just select the files you want to move. I would suggest selecting as many as you can. Then drag it with your mouse into the hard drive folder. Once that's done, this window should appear, and usually it has an estimate of how long it'll take to move it. Once it's moved over, you can check if the files were successfully moved by unplugging again and plugging back in. To save space, I'd recommend deleting the files from where you don't need them anymore.